If you are hauling gear in your Ram 2500 with no tonneau cover, you are basically leaving your cargo exposed to the weather, the road, and anyone walking by. Today, we are counting down the 7 best tonneau covers for the Ram 2500. Soft, hard, retractable, you name it. All the links are right there in the video description. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 7, we've got the RealTruck Trifecta. This soft tri-fold cover is built from marine-grade leather-grain vinyl with a patented corner tuck system that kills the sag you get with cheaper covers. Aircraft-grade aluminum frame, dual pivot hinges, and it comes fully assembled. Literally snaps on in minutes with 2 cab clamps. No tools, no rails to mess with. Clean look, zero flutter at highway speed. A rock-solid entry-level pick. Moving on to number 6, say hello to the Syneticusa retractable cover with integrated rack. 6063 T5 aluminum slats, powder-coated, waterproof, dustproof, holds up to 500 pounds. The built-in rack system means no third-party add-ons needed. T-slot rails for accessories, double-sided locks for security. Install in 60 to 90 minutes. If you want a retractable cover and a rack in one shot, this is the move. Sliding into number 5, check out the BAKFlip MX4 Gen 3. Assembled in Missouri, aluminum panel, hardfold, and a genuine bestseller. Gen 3 brings a 22% strength increase, upgraded EPDM perimeter seals, and an auto-latching system that locks every time it closes. Matte black on all surfaces. Full bed access without blocking the third brake light. 5-year warranty. Premium build, premium performance. Dropping into number 4, meet the OEDRO Quad Fold Tonneau Cover. Double layer PVC with 4 built-in horizontal crossbars for extra rigidity. Pre-assembled powder-coated rails and aluminum clamps included, no extra tools needed. UV tested, tensile tested, keeps cargo sealed and protected. Quad fold design gives solid bed access when needed and saves space when folded. Great value for the money, no doubt. Stepping into the top 3 at number 3, we've got the MaxMate soft roll-up cover. US design patented, 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl, aircraft-grade aluminum rails, stainless steel clamps. Velcro side seals, tailgate latch lock, and adjustable tension keep it tight and wrinkle-free in any weather. No drilling, instructions included, 3-year no-hassle warranty, reliable, weather-tight, built for a working truck. Right behind the top spot at number 2, here's the Flowkottu retractable hardcover. Let's hear from someone who actually bought it.
Okay guys, this is a Ram 2500 2025 with a cover installed already. I had it for about a month or so. It's been great. Really great cover. Like it. It's been raining all day, so the only little bit of water that got inside was from the tailgate side. Other than that, it has their own drainage here, over there, and right there. Really good guy, 100% recommended. The seller, great communication.
And coming in at number 1, the Autosaver 88 FRP hard tri-fold cover, earning that top spot all day. Fiberglass reinforced polymer with a PP honeycomb frame, Scratch-resistant, weather-sealed, 450-pound capacity. Custom fit for the Ram 2500, seamless low-profile look that genuinely upgrades the truck's appearance. Locks when the tailgate closes, 6-clamp, no-drill install. Best all-around package on this list, straight up. And that is your top 7 tonneau covers for the Ram 2500. Every single link is in the video description. Go check them out and find the one that fits your build and budget. If this video helped you make a better decision, smash that subscribe button and stay with the crew. More truck content is dropping soon. Catch you in the next one.